Well, look at what we got today from the catless cat lady, Shimei. Oh, are we excited? Huh? Where's your buddy? Was here this morning. They were all huddled in the corner over there, keeping nice and warm. Oh yeah, look at that. What do you think? Lick those chops. Yum yum. Did you thank the catless cat lady, huh? Did you say thank you? Yeah, I'll get around to it. Don't bug me, I'm eating. You're always bugging me. And just in case you weren't around last night, there is the apple pie that we made. And check it out. It begins about the 2-hour mark. And it's got some nice tips, too, and hacks on it. So, proof of the pudding is in the eating, though. So, it's going to be sliced up. And we'll see how it tastes using the Duncan Hines filling. Right. Do what they always tell me, right? Chew with your mouth closed. Oh, but Rosie, it's horrible. Where's Trotsky today? Trotsky's not getting anything to eat. Don't worry, I got a search party. We're beating the bushes around St. Petersburg, Russia for Trotsky, or down in Mexico City. As long as he doesn't get an ice pick in the skull like his namesake does, it's all good. Morning, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? The apple pie this morning. It's going to be a short one, but we're going to give this a test today. If you weren't here last night, make sure you subscribe. Go to about the 2-hour mark, and you can see the pie being made. We use the Duncan Hines dollar can. So many of my subscribers just absolutely cringe when I shop the lowest shelf. But it's Duncan Hines. It's got to be. Let's give it a taste. It tastes pretty doggone good. And the nice thing is that the bottom is well cooked too. And the trick is we sat it on the bottom of the oven floor. And that helped make it nice and crispy on the bottom. So I'm gonna judge this a winner today. This is pretty good. Would I buy it again? I'd like to make an apple pie. Like a 10-year-old kid with calyx and stiff stuff running around. I'd like to make a pie with my own apples, and I have the control over how much salt I use and things like that. But sugar, I mean. And but I have to say, for $2 for apple filling, with just the right of cinnamon on top there, it's pretty doggone delicious. All right, I'm getting the sled dogs teamed up. We're going to be out there with our searching magnifying, and we're going to be looking for Trotsky under every bush out there, okay? Don't panic. Maybe, I don't know. No, he'll show up. Salmon and beef, what a combo. Okay, guys, thumbs up, appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for all notifications, and have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll see you later. Tomorrow's the last day in town, and then it's off to bright lights, and I'm gonna set my soul on fire. Viva Las Vegas. Be there. Thanks, everybody.